The hip reels are either clockwise, counterclockwise, overhand opposite, or underhand opposite. There's 2 drills with each hand. Either this one, where you're coming in toward the butt crack, which we just worked on, or this one, where you're going away from the butt crack on the back, right? So there's 2 with your right hand, and then there's 2 with your left hand. So this is the overhand one where you're going away from your butt crack. And then this is the underhand one where you're coming into your butt crack. I can tell you the number one thing that will help you with this is simply practicing these waist-high movements with each hand and really nailing them, because it looks like you're barely getting them right now. So if you could get all of these tight, the hip reel will follow. And remember, the key to the movement is not this, right? You don't want your hand further from your body. You want the elbow further from your body. It's like if you look at where my hands are right now, they're really close, tracing my body, you know? Which is very different than like this. And it makes it look very different. Like, I imagine you're going to go to fire. It especially looks different on fire to do this versus this. It's just a different aesthetic. Circles behind your back. So like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the front and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the front twice. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the front 3 times. And then continue through that until you get up to 10 repetitions of front to back with 10 of these behind you each time. So do 10, then do 1 figure 8, then do 10, then do 2 figure 8s, then do 10, then do 3 figure 8s, then do 10, and do 4 figure 8s, so on, all the way up till the fact that you're doing 10 in a row comfortably with the right form, okay? And then you want to do that in all 4 directions. Or let me rephrase, you want to do that in both directions with each hand, not all 4 directions.